Alright, so here is gonna be a full unboxing of the new Ultimate Edition Hollywood Hulk Hogan figure. So here it is without in package. This is probably figure of the year for me this year. Here is the back, the side, and remember to keep your boxes and display it along with the figure, because you're gonna regret it if you throw it out. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Get Hulk Hogan out of this. Bandana came out, but look at this. Look at this figure. Let's get a focus on it. This is amazing. Look at that face scan. Look at this. It's just amazing, detailed figure. The NWO belt, Hollywood on the back. The lightning, and look, they even have the trademark NWO decal on the boots, and his face on the boots. This is awesome. Let's push that foot back up there. Oops, I wonder what happened on the foot. Let me try to fix it. There's something wrong with his foot here. Also comes with the NWO spray painted heavyweight championship belt. I do know that the belt itself is a lighter spray paint, more accurate to the screen. It comes with two pair of extra hands here. Mama. Comes with this scarf here. Let's take it out. Comes with the scarf. NWO tank top with rip away future. Two Hogan buttons here. His screaming face and his the sunglasses. Yep, so this is Hollywood Hogan Unboxed Ultimate Edition. If you never picked up an Ultimate Edition figure, this one is a must-have. It's just an amazing figure, and you know, a lot of people have been waiting for this figure for a long time because as you know, Hollywood Hogan, or Hulk Hogan, was gone from the WWE for a time because of, you know, some controversial statement he stated or happened. So he finally signed again with WWE, and we finally got his figure. So yeah, definitely pick it up if you can. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.